We about to learn Python today. And I've got to learn Python because turns out that I have a hackathon on Saturday and I don't know jack.
Hey, sick is your conscience. See you building no violence. You itching to murder, itching to murk 'em. You know what I gotta say, kill 'em all.
So right here, Python, boom, we get to go into Python. We can actually go ahead and verify the current version for Python. And we do have 3.7.5. I'm simply gonna go ahead and travel to the desired directory, make a folder and name it hello, cd into hello, code.Ctrl Shift P to select our Python interpreter. We can go ahead and run our 3.7.5. Let's create a simple file and call it hello.py. Copy this, paste it here, boom, run, hello world.
Back in New Orleans, back in the rap trap, always storming in the springtimes. Every morning the storm like a bathtub below a plug with the cord and looking gorgeous with light inside. Don't let the aura, bitch, I'm recording. Red light, Ruby with a groupie when he's touring in the forward. But when he in the seventh, the lonely lord is reborn into his final form. All style like a red light, lead pipe. That shit must go smoke a rock, a crack glass in my gallbladder, cock it back headlights. Eye contact very important when you're driving around in the storm, riding in the Corvette in the.
Ah, shit. So we're really f***ed up. But let me explain. So there was this cool company called Octave Group. They mainly focus on delivering music and media in shared spaces. Turns out that their main challenge was to take their simple music player along with their API music library and create something cool. Simple, right? But here's where we complicated things up. We went from wanting to work with machine learning to VR to AR. So learning Python was definitely only useful to interact and play with their music player, which we never really got to. After renting an Oculus Rift from the event, we decided it could be cool to use Cinema 4D to build a model of their jukeboxes and display an interactive music player jukebox in a virtual world. We needed to download and learn Unity in order to do so and try to connect the Oculus Rift to our machines. After a good 2 hours of working on and off, we realized Oculus Rift wasn't compatible with Mac, so we had to scratch that idea. And that's how we went from virtual reality to augmented reality. My teammates wanted to use Unity AR in order to impress the judges since Unity was part of the list of companies in the event. After attending a quick workshop about Unity AR, we decided to check out some tutorial in order to further enhance our knowledge in Unity. Kevin and I were able to create a few custom planes to lay objects on and deploy it to my phone. We ran that and it worked like a charm. The next step was to take any object and place it on these planes. We realized quickly enough we were writing C# code we didn't understand at all and we gave up. I couldn't imagine myself troubleshooting this stuff when shit was about to hit the fan. While I was struggling with my spaghetti code, Mansoor was actually creating this beautiful 3D model using Cinema 4D. To our surprise, this thing was actually insanely well done. That motivated us and we decided to move into iOS in order to build our AR system. After searching the web and looking for a good AI kit tutorial, I was able to build a very simple model that will allow me to span a door away from the origin. I wanted to add some motion to it when tapped, but I decided to test the touch function first. We were quickly running out of time since we had a long way to go in terms of building our virtual player and communicate with the OJ API in order to play different tunes. I started poorly figuring out how to create custom planes, but there wasn't as much documentation online as I thought. It was getting tough and our goals seemed almost impossible. I decided to try to import Mansoor's model into iOS, but I never got it working. Meanwhile, Kevin was actually trying to get Unity AR to work. He actually was able to import the model to Unity and display it on the device. It was pretty cool, but even at that, there was way too many things to learn in such a short period of time. We spent quite some time still trying to create planes to place our custom jukebox on them, but it wasn't properly working. After 2 hours of disappointment, we decided to give up. We knew we weren't going to have enough time to put all of this together. There was no point in staying awake 60 more hours in order to finish the project. Keep in mind the roughest hours were yet to come. And my friends, that concluded our hackathon. We ended up leaving at 10 PM. How sad.